Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sadia Jued, BS Maths, subject Chemistry, ID number 200507008. My topic Chemistry of Explosives. History of explosives. Explosives started 600 to 700 years ago. Robert Bacon 1214-1292 first described preparations of black powder. Potassium nitrate 75% and carbon 15% and sulfur 10%. Black powder, sulfated or nitrate Chinese are early as the 10th century. Roger Bacon published formula in 1242. Berthold Saint-Wurst invented gun 1300. How important was black powder? Garden hose, locations, torch, and 10 walls. Invitations devices: safety fuse caps, electric plastic cap, delay caps, wanted caps, compositions caps, denoting code, non-electric delay cap, shock tube. Water gals developed in 1914s to solve the water problem. Non-nitrochlorine use increased with development of equipment for drilling large diameter holes. Pros: economics, loading density, low sensitive water resistance, no nitro. Cons: needs sanitizers not for small holes. Nitrochloride and dynamite. Discovered by Ascanio Sabro in 1846, Noble built factory in 1861. Noble planted pneumatic in 1867. Problems included flames, freezing and headaches. 715 million pounds manufactured in 1955. Binary two component explosives usually consist of aluminum nitrates, sensitizers, and nitromethane fuel. Advantages include not a class explosive until mixed, no danger of fire while in storage, available in correct type and size, can active after mazing, well denoted at -40 Celsius. Disadvantages include cost, time required to mix. Introductions. An explosive material, also called explosive, is a reactive substance that contains a great amount of potassium energy that can produce an explosion. It released chandelier, usually accompanied by the production of light, heat, sound, and pressures. This potential energy stored in an explosive material may be chemical energy, pressurized gas, or nuclear energy. Picric acid in the chemical compound formerly called 2,4,6-dinitrophonone (TNP). This yellow crystalline solid is one of the most acidic phonones. Its primary use, no outdated, is as an explosive. It has also been used in medicine days and as a chemical agent. High explosives, types of explosives: high explosives and low explosives. High explosives, they have higher energy content than primary explosives. They are stable and quite insensitive to fire and mechanical shocks. Primary explosives. Detonating explosives are detonators. They are highly sensitive explosives which exploded or receiving a slight shock or by the fire. Lead acid, mercury fulminate, tetracenes, diisodorate phenol. Binary explosives. They consist of mixture and TNT with other explosives. TNT is an important ingredient of these binary explosives because it has low melting point. Example: amatol TNT plus aluminum nitrate. and TNT plus PETN 50% each. Tropex 40% RDX plus 40% TNT plus 20% all powders. Low explosives. They simple burn and do not explode suddenly. The chemical reaction taking place in such explosives are comparatively slow, and their burning produced from the surface inward in layer at the approximate rate of 20 cm per second. Prom- Propellant. Propellant, technically the word propellant is the general nature for chemical used to create thrust. A propellant is a chemical substance used in product of energy or pressurized gas that is subsequently used to create movement of the fluid or to generate propulsions of vehicle, projectile or other objects. Who have been two types of propellant: solid propellant and liquid propellant. Solid propellant may be homogeneous, heterogeneous. Liquid propellant may be monopropellant and bipropellant. Liquid propellant process may advantages over the solid propellant. Thus liquid propellant more versatile, and the engine using them can be checked and calibrated more easily. Monopropellant. The monopropellant has fuel as well as oxidizer in the same molecules or in a solutions connecting both these. A monopropellant must be safe to store and at the same time it should burn smoothly. Hydrogen peroxide, nitromethane, and common monopropellant. Plastic explosives. These are combinations of explosives because they contain high explosives mixed with wax and oil to rather than less sensitive. They are in plastic state and can be hand wound or brushed and made into different configurations. The plastic shield explosive is usually prepared using 1995's RDX, HMX or PETN and are much more sensitive to heat, friction, shock and impact than pure RDX, HMX and PETN. Safety fuse. A major contributor to progress in the use of explosives was William Bickford in 1831. He constructed the safety fuse, a core of black powder tightly wrapped in textiles, one of the most important of which was jute yarn. The present-day version is not very different from the original model. The code is created with the waterproofing agent, such as asphalt, and is covered with either textiles or plastic. Once agency's safety fuse will burn underwater and have no external flame. The might ignite methane or other fuels such as might be found in mines or other industrial environment. Safety fuses are manufactured with specified burn times per 30 cm. Example 60 seconds, which means that a length of fuse 30 cm long will take 60 seconds to burn. Detonating fuse. Detonating fuse. It is then flexible plastic tubes usually filled with PETN, with the PETN exploding at a rate of approximately 4 mils per second. Any common length of detonation cord appears to explode instantly. It is high-speed fuse with explodes rather than burns, and it's suitable for denoting high explosives. The velocity of detonations is sufficient to use in centralizing multiple charge to donate almost simultaneous events. It is used to rapidly and expensively China together multiple explosive charges. Typically used include mining, drilling, demonstrations, and warfare. Effects of an explosion's blast pressures. At the time of detonation, the gas can rush out at velocities of up to 7,000 mph and can export pressure of pt 700 tons per second inch. This gas travels in outward circles pattern like a Gantt wave, shimming and shattering everything in this path. Allah Hafiz everyone. Please comment, like and share all the people's every videos. Sir Hamad. Thanks.